Hey there, guys. Chet here. If you want to build your first online store and you have no idea where to start, this tutorial will walk you through every important step inside of Shopify so you understand exactly how to create your account, explore your dashboard, set up your domain, apply a theme, customize your storefront, add products, add customers, and create discounts. So by the end of the video, you'll know every essential part of Shopify in a way that feels simple, clear, and beginner friendly so that you can confidently start building your online business. But before we start, if you want to start with your store and you want to start with the best possible advantage, check the link below. You'll get the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my complete Shopify course that gives you a thorough step-by-step guide to creating and launching your online store. First off, let me show you how you can create a Shopify account because everything inside your store starts from here. To create a new account, open any browser of your choice and search for Shopify. Then click on the official website so that you land on the correct homepage. Once the Shopify homepage loads, you will see the Start for Free button located at the top right corner, and then you need to click on it so that you can begin the sign-up process. From here, a new page will appear asking for your email address. Enter your email in the field and click the Continue with Email button. If you prefer a different login method, Shopify also allows you to use Continue with Apple, Continue with Google, or Continue with Facebook. But if you choose to use email, Shopify will ask you to create a password. Enter a strong password and then click the Create Account button to continue. Shopify will now guide you through a few short questions to help personalize your dashboard. These questions, all they do is help Shopify understand your goals so that the platform can display relevant options when you log in. After completing these short setup steps, you will land inside the Shopify admin dashboard. Now that your account is created successfully, it's the perfect time to explore the Shopify dashboard so that you know where everything is located before we begin building your store. Now, as soon as you enter your Shopify dashboard, you will notice a very clean layout designed to really help beginners understand everything pretty quickly. On the left side of your screen, there is a vertical menu with important options such as home, orders, products, customers, marketing, discounts, content, markets, analytics, online store, point of sale, apps, and settings. Now, each of these sections controls a different part of your Shopify store, and you will use them throughout your journey. At the top of your dashboard, you will see a search bar, which will help you find anything inside your store instantly. Whether you want to find a product, customer, setting, or feature, you can keep the keyword or type the keyword, and Shopify will bring results immediately. On the top right side, you will see your store owner profile icon and a notification bell, which alerts you when Shopify has something important to share, such as updates or store-related activity. Now that you have an overview of the dashboard and understand where everything has been placed, the next step is setting up your domain because your domain is the foundation of your online store. Now, when you think about creating a Shopify store, one of the first things that comes to your mind is the domain because it represents your online identity. A domain is the address that people will type to visit your store, so it must be clear, simple, and connected to your brand. When you sign up for a Shopify plan, you get a free default domain automatically. For example, Shopify may create a domain like mystore.myshopify.com as your starter domain. However, Shopify also gives you two additional choices if you want a professional looking domain. First, if you do not already own a custom domain, you can buy one directly from Shopify. Shopify provides a built-in search tool that lets you type your desired domain name and instantly shows available options so that you can purchase it without leaving Shopify. Second, if you already own a domain from websites like GoDaddy or Namecheap, Shopify allows you to connect that existing domain to your Shopify store so that your customers can use it to access your website. Now that you understand how domains work and how Shopify handles them, it's time to move forward and learn how to add and customize your Shopify theme so that your store looks professional and matches your brand. To add and customize your store theme, go to the left menu and click on the Online Store section. When it expands, you will see three options, which are Themes, Pages, and Preferences. Click on Themes, and it will open the Theme Customization dashboard where your current theme appears at the top. If you want to customize your current theme, click on the Edit Theme button on the right. This will open the theme editor where you can modify layout, colors, sections, and the entire design of your store. If you want to explore new theme options instead, scroll down to the section called Design a Custom Theme in Seconds. Here you will see different templates that you can preview. When you find a theme you like, hover over it and click the Try Theme button. The theme will be added to your theme library, and once it appears there, you can click the Publish button to activate it or customize to modify it before publishing. If you want even more theme options, scroll further down and click the Visit Theme Store button. This will take you to the Shopify theme store where you can browse a wide collection of free and paid themes designed for different types of businesses. Once you finalize the theme you want, return to your theme library and click the Edit Theme button so that you can start customizing every part of your storefront according to your brand style. Now, you know how to choose your theme, so let's move deeper and learn how to customize every part of that selected theme. To customize the selected theme, click on the Edit Theme button again if you are not already inside the editor. When the theme editor opens, you will see a live preview of your store in the center and your editable sections in the left sidebar. These sections are organized under three main groups, which are sections, theme settings, and app embeds. At the top of the page, you will see options that let you switch between different pages like home, product page, collection page, and so on. You will also see controls for device view, undo and redo buttons, and options to save or publish your changes. By default, you will land on the Sections tab. This is where you will see the list of all visible components on your homepage, such as header, announcement bar, hero banner, featured products, collections, and footer. You can click on any section to expand its detailed settings on the left sidebar. The changes you make will appear immediately in the live preview. If you switch to theme settings, you will see customization options such as logo and favicon, colors, typography, layout, icons, input fields, popovers, prices, product cards, search settings, swatches, variant pickers, and even custom CSS. Each category opens further styling options that help you personalize your store design. Returning to the Sections tab, you can click on any section to reveal its editable blocks. For example, clicking the hero banner might show blocks for heading, subheading, image, button text, and links. To add new content, hover over a section and click the plus icon. Shopify will show you pre-made blocks like headings, images, slideshows, testimonials, text blocks, and more. The available blocks will depend on the section that you're editing. You can reorder sections by dragging up or down in the sidebar. You can also edit template-specific pages by switching to different templates from the top drop-down, allowing you to customize collection pages, product pages, blog templates, and more. Any changes that you make appear instantly so you can see how your design looks in real time. When you finish customizing your theme, click the Save button. Now, if you want to publish the theme immediately, click the Publish button. Now that your store design is complete, it's time to learn how to add products because your store cannot open without product listings. So to add a product in your Shopify store, navigate to the left menu and click on the Products tab. This will take you to your product listings page. If your store is new, this page will probably be empty. Don't worry. To add your first product, click the Add Product button on the top right side. As soon as you click, Shopify will take you to a new product page where you can enter all the required information. At the top, you will see the title field. This is where you can enter the name of your product. For example, if you're adding a clothing item, you can write short sleeve t-shirt or black cotton hoodie. This is the name that customers will see on your storefront. Below the title, you will find the description section, which is where you write complete details about your product, such as material, sizing, color options, benefits, and usage instructions. For example, you can say that this shirt is made of 100% cotton, soft, breathable, washable, and perfect for summer wear. Next is the media section. This is where you upload product images or videos. You can click Upload New to add images from your computer or select Existing if your store already has uploaded images. Always use high quality images because they strongly influence customer buying decisions. Below Media, you will see the category section where you choose the type of product. For example, if you're selling home decoration items, you can select Home and Garden, artwork, or sculptures. The correct category helps improve search and organization. Next comes the price section, all about that money. Enter your selling price, such as $100. If you want to show a discount, set a compare at price, such as $150. Shopify will automatically display the discount percentage to customers. You will also notice fields such as unit price, charge tax, and cost per item. Charge tax, yes or no, determines whether Shopify should apply taxes to the item. Cost per item helps Shopify calculate profit. For instance, if you buy the product for $50 and sell it for $100, enter 50. Scroll slightly and you will reach the inventory section. This is where you manage your stock. First, you will see the inventory tracked on or off option. Turn it on if you want Shopify to track product quantities automatically. Below that, if you have multiple warehouses, you will see locations such as New York warehouse. Enter stock quantities for each location. Below inventory values, you will see SKU, barcode, and sell when out of stock. SKU is your internal identifier, such as T-shirt M black. Barcode is used for scanning products. Sell when out of stock allows customers to purchase the product even when inventory reaches zero, which is helpful for pre-order products. Scroll down further to the shipping section. If the product is physical, enable physical product. Then enter the product weight. Shipping rates rather depend on weight, so enter it accurately. For the example, if the t-shirt weighs 0.20 kilograms, enter that value. You can also choose a package size and add country of origin and HS code if required. Below shipping, you will see variants. If your product comes in multiple sizes or colors, click add options like size or color and add the variations. At the bottom under search engine listing, you can write an SEO-friendly title and meta description. For example, soft cotton black t-shirt for men suitable for summer and daily wear. On the top right, you can set the product status such as active, draft, or unlisted. Below that, you will find product organization where you set the type, vendor, tags, and collections. Once you complete all fields, click the save button to publish your product. Now that you've added your first product, it's time to learn how to add customers inside your Shopify store so that your customer management stays organized. To add a new customer, go to the left menu, click on the Customer tab. This will take you to the Customers page where you will see two buttons at the top labeled Add Customer and Import Customers. To add a customer manually, click on the Add Customer button and Shopify will open a customer creation form. On this form, you can enter details such as first and last name, preferred language, email, phone number, address, and tax-related settings. You can also decide whether Shopify will apply tax rules to this customer's orders. On the top right side, you will see a section for notes where you can add custom notes about the customer. You can also add tags to categorize customers. Each tag should be separated by a comma. Once you complete the form, click on the Save button at the top. Shopify will save the customer and return you to the main customers list. If you want to add multiple customers at once, click on the Import button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to upload a CSV file containing your customer data. After selecting your CSV file, click the Import Customers button, and Shopify will automatically process the file. When the upload completes, all customers from the CSV file will appear in your list. Now that you know how to manage customers, the next important part of your store is setting up discounts, which help you attract more sales and run promotions easily. To create a discount, go to the left menu and click on the Discounts tab. This will take you to your discounts page where you can see existing discounts and create new ones. To add a new discount, click on the Create Discount button. A pop-up window will appear showing different discount types, such as amount off products, buy X, get Y, amount off order, free shipping, and other advanced options. For this tutorial, click on the Amount Off Products option. This will open the Create Discount page where you will build your discount step by step. At the top, choose whether your discount will be a discount code or an automatic discount. If you choose a code, enter your preferred code in the field or click Generate Random Code. In the Discount Value section, choose percentage or fixed amount and set the discount amount. In the Applies To section, choose whether the discount applies to your entire store, specific collections, or selected products. You can select items through the Browse button. Under Eligibility, choose who can use the discount. You can allow all customers, select customer groups, or specific customers. Minimum purchase requirements allow you to specify a minimum order amount or minimum product quantity before the discount becomes active. Maximum discount use allows you to set limits on how many items the discount can be used overall or how many times each customer can use it. The combination section decides whether this discount can be combined with other active discounts. Active dates allows you to set the start date and time. You can also set an end date if you want the discount to expire automatically. Once you finish setting everything, click the Save button in the bottom right corner to activate your discount. You have now learned all of the essential steps to build your Shopify store, from creating your account to exploring the dashboard, setting up your domain, customizing your theme, adding products, adding customers, and creating discounts. With these foundations in place, your store is ready to grow, and you can continue adding more tools, apps, and features as your business expands. This brings us to the end of the beginner tutorial, and now you can move forward with the confidence knowing how the Shopify platform works. Before you leave, check the link below to get the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month plan, and full access to my complete Shopify course so that you can build your store with confidence. As always, thanks so much for watching this tutorial. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step Shopify tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.